Now these are twinkle toes. Hey queens, welcome back to my channel where you know it's all about glow up vibes. What better way to start the fall than to tell you girls about the sandal of the fall. I'm gonna unbox the Tory Burch knotted PAVÉ Miller sandal. Guys, I have been obsessing over these sandals for over a year. I got the black ones and I'm gonna unbox them. Now this unboxing is legit, okay? I'm so excited. So I have the red ones. My brother bought me the red ones and I love them so much. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is what it's coming in. This is what it's looking like. This looks a little different than the old Tory Burch packaging I'm noticing so far. How bomb. Oh my god, I'm loving this packaging. This is so cute. You go, Tory. Oh my goodness. Yes, how cute. Queens. How bomb. They need their own moment. I'm like so excited. I can't believe I got the black ones. Oh my god, they're so cute. I just love the sparkles. The PAVÉ sparkles embellishment is so bomb. I got a 6.5 because this can be a little stiff, so I like to just feel a little more flexibility right here with my wideness. On my foot. I got the red ones because I didn't want to wear them too often. I thought they were just so beautiful. But every time I had an outfit, I was like, damn, the black ones would have been cuter. The black ones would have been cuter. So girl, I was obsessing for a whole year. This is the sandal of the fall. Now, if you girls are curious, these were the same price as last year, $300. So are these worth it? Yes. Get these, girls. These are gonna update and glow up your wardrobe. I'm so happy I finally got these sandals. Get ready to be sick of me wearing them. Oh my god, my baby Zimi. Zimi, say hi. If you're not sure if you want to get these, I would say follow my Instagram, girl, because I'm going to be rocking these up and down. So if you want to see different outfits, different style ideas, or girl, if you just want to see how I just be bold, rocking them out to the grocery store, follow my social medias. Girls, we're in our glow up era, okay? We're in our glow up era. It's time to invest in cute, elegant, timeless pieces. Share this video with your bestie and get these together. This would be so cute, matching outfits and sandals. So follow me on Instagram. I want to see all the looks that you girls pull together. Queens, and we're at 100 subscribers. Oh my god, yay! Yay! I can't believe it, girls. Thank you so much for joining the glow up journey. Let's get to it. Let's glow up. And I'll see you girls in my next video. Oh my girl, bye.